My name is Sue Wagstaff and I'm 65 and I'm retired. Before I retired, I started in banking and I had a self-catering company with a friend, and I've just been involved in charity work really since then, working at the Cross House Hospital. Well, my main hobby is gardening, and I am the chairman of the gardening club in Stewarton. But that doesn't mean to say I know everything about gardening. And I enjoy reading and walking my dog, which means that I'm out every day, and I love my crossword. Buy the paper really for the crossword. I was very short-sighted and have been since I was a teenager. I had contact lenses when I was 21 and wore them basically all the time until the last few years when I had dry eyes and had to wear my glasses a lot more. I do think glasses are, in this day and age, I think they're brilliant. Some of the designs are wonderful, but from my point of view, I just prefer to have had this treatment because I've been looking to have it for probably the last 20 years. So I thought it's about time. I chose Optical Express because I had seen quite a lot of advertisements and I'd seen television advertisements, and I went to see them and they proved to be the best. I have to say they were brilliant from the first initial inquiry. I had all the information I needed and went home and thought about it, went back for a consultation, and every step of the way has been easy. The only thing that I think I felt uncomfortable about was, would it work? I did think age might have been something to consider, but no, it's been great. There's every opportunity to speak to the surgeon, which I did actually before I had the procedure, you know, at one of my visits, and there didn't seem to be any problem with that at all. No. But no, once I was there, I mean, it was just straightforward, and 20 minutes was just amazing. It was just like magic because it had worked. It was instant. As soon as I got up, you know, I could see across the room, which clearly, you know, without all the haze. Yes, it was really magic. So I was quite elated. I really was fortunate. I didn't have any pain. It was a wee bit of discomfort, and you're given goggles to wear when you're in bed, because you may have the tendency to rub your eye, but even that wasn't invasive, which I thought it would be. So a week afterwards, it was almost as if it had always been. So very natural. Immediately. I have to say that because he did say when you get up, you will see long distance, and I did. And it was wonderful. I don't have any regrets at all. It was very simple procedure, really, much more so than I'd anticipated. There was very little pain, a wee bit of discomfort, but no, I certainly wouldn't hesitate, and I wouldn't hesitate to encourage anyone else to have it done.